I like to incorporate a wide variety of fruits, vegetables, herbs, and teas into my diet. The fact of the matter is, I love variety, so I took a 3-month break from using sea moss gel. This week is my first week adding it back into my diet. I wanted to reintroduce it to my body in a new way, so I created a recipe for an agave tahini breakfast shake. The first ingredient that I decided to use was oats. Oats are a very humble ingredient with many scientifically backed health benefits like weight loss, reduced risk of heart disease, and the ability to lower blood sugar. Next on the list was tahini. Tahini has been a staple of Middle Eastern and Mediterranean cuisine for centuries. Tahini is high in healthy fats and amino acids. It's also a great source of essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin B. Tahini can also help regulate blood sugar and cholesterol. There has been some debate about the health benefits of agave. So if you're not a fan, I definitely recommend just substituting in a tablespoon of 100% maple or raw honey. To keep this recipe aligned with Dr. Sebi's recommended food list, I used agave. One of the most significant benefits of utilizing agave nectar is its minimal effects on blood sugar and insulin levels. I, of course, went ahead and added in a heaping tablespoon of sea moss gel. If you don't have sea moss gel, that's completely fine. You can still enjoy this smoothie without it. If you can't get your hands on quality hemp milk, you could also swap out the milk for something more readily available like almond milk. Just keep in mind that hemp is Dr. Sebi approved, so this recipe utilizes hemp milk. Hemp milk has been known to alleviate arthritis and joint pain. It can also aid in weight loss. For those of you suffering from digestive ailments, hemp milk can also help improve digestive health. Cinnamon is not Dr. Sebi approved. However, I absolutely love cinnamon and decided to top mine off with about 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. I didn't want the ingredients to heat up while they were blending, so it is essential to add at least half a cup of ice before blending. This recipe yields about 1.5 cups. And based on the brands that I used, the final recipe came out to about 305 calories.